Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of my new professional dress form. I recently got this from the shop company and I'm super excited to show you, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to start by setting up the base first, as this was the part that had most instructions to follow. The top part wasn't much of a hassle to set up. I didn't have to spend too much time reading the instructions as it was very straightforward and easy to follow. So the first thing I did was to attach all 4 wheels to the metal base by just screwing it in place. Two of the wheels at the bottom did have locks. Now this is going to keep the dress form in place, so when you're working or draping, you don't have to worry about the dress form moving from place to place. The next part is to fix in the metal foot. Now this is going to help you adjust the height of the dress form. It came with 2 poles, one silver and one black. The silver one gets connected to the base while the black one goes over the silver one. Now when you're fixing in the silver pole, you want to make sure it touches the base of the metal foot, like so. Now once you've set that in place, you're going to use the 2 screws there to tighten it further. Now here's the tricky part. To install the black pole over the silver pole, these angled metals at the top needs to connect into one. Now you can do this by simply pressing down on the metal foot. Now once you press hard enough, it connects like so, and then you can just slide the black pole over it. Now on top of the dress form, I'm just going to screw this little silver knob in place and then just slide the dress form over the pole. Love it so far, and the fact that it has collapsible shoulders makes me love it even more. Now moving on to the final attachment, which was the sleeves. This was the easiest part to do. All I had to do was just slide it into the little space right on the side of the armhole like so, and that's it. So I chose a size 8 for the size. I was torn between a size 8 and a 10, but I chose 8 because it was closest to my body measurements compared to the size 10. And because I recently started learning digital pattern making, I wanted to have a standard size that I'm easily able to grade up or down, and also to just get back into draping again. So the measurement on this size 8 was about 35.5 inches for the bust, about 27 inches for the waist, and for the hip it was about 38 inches. Now my actual measurement, my bust is 36, my waist is 27, and my hip is 40. Which means I was missing about 0.5 inch on the bust and about 2 inches on the hip. I did end up draping a basic bodice. Now on the bust part, I added a breast pad to make up for the ½ inch that I was missing. Now what I intend to do is to compare the fit of this bodice on the dress form to that of the standard bodice, just to test and compare the fit of both of the blocks. So these are the results of the front and back bodies that I draped on the dress form. So I've seen people ask a lot of times that what if they do have a dress form that is way smaller than their size? Like, how are they able to grade patterns that match their size? Now, there are two ways to do this. You could do this either by grading or by padding. Padding is by using fillers and cushions to make up to the size you're trying to drape. And grading is basically increasing the size of the pattern by adjusting at the key points. Now this can be at the bust, the waist, the hips, the shoulders, the neckline, and sometimes if you're making panel pieces on each side of the panel. So I've seen a couple of requests from you guys asking me to show how to grade a pattern. So in another video, I'm going to show you guys how to grade a pattern for a size up or a size down, and also scaling a smaller sized pattern to several other sizes. If you did make it to this point, thank you so much for sticking around and watching my unboxing. Please leave a like, a comment, and share. So here's one last look. And also guys, let me know if we should give her a name. You can leave your suggestion in the comments. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!